1947, the year when India got its independence. India was shaping its roots. Businesses started growing. Mumbai, due to industrialization and Bollywood, became the money capital very soon. There was a rapid growth in the food industry, increase in restaurants and street food joints. One such restaurant, which was started by Syed Ali Akbar in 1938, has left its mark in this city, the Lucky Restaurant.
At the onset of Indian independence, let's visit this 81-year-old restaurant and understand more about its food, legacy and antiquity. Let's go.
The current co-owner of this restaurant, Syed Safar Ali, has been working in this restaurant since the age of 10. He has witnessed the pre-independence era and has served World War II soldiers.
It started in 9th of September 1938 by my late father, Mr. Syed Ali Akbar. That is about now 80 years has passed.
Sure.
And we don't know the first, second, third, fourth generation is working with us.
Before independence, Lucky used to serve mill workers. Mr. Syed Safar Ali himself used to start the restaurant at 5 a.m.
24 hours the mill used to work. So they had to have their first shift at 6. So Irani restaurant started at 5.
Okay.
5 sharp, I used to open the restaurant. 4 o'clock I used to get up. 5 o'clock sharp, we used to make tea ready, maska, pav, brun, Kheema Pav, everything was ready. They used to have that breakfast and they used to take a train and run for that first shift.
The original menu of Lucky had only 7 dishes. Now they serve more than 200. Let's get to know more about it from Mr. Syed Safar Ali.
In those days, the waiter used to go and take the order. Kya khanu? Roast, chap, dal, tarkari, keema. Kya manta paya, bheja, kya chahiye bas. No menu, nothing was there. It was simple people with simple food menu. It was a taboo to go to a restaurant and eat. The Punjabis came and all, they introduced tandoori chicken. Then about 60, 70 years ago, the people from Udupi came. They started Udupi for masala dosa and this was not there. And batata vada was also not there. All this were introduced and subsequently menu became, then Chinese dish came.
Sure.
Then Mughlai dishes, they used to, this manipulation were there, this 200 dish.
Mr. Syed Safar Ali was a young boy when India got independence. He shared few of his unfaded memories.
I remember standing in queues with my mother just to buy cloth. Nothing was available. Everybody was going to the war. Rationing and all. Wanted a bread, you used to get unit of, and 1 unit, 7 breads. And once independence get day by day by day by day, we prospered now. You ask my servants, they are using cell phones. Kitne mein liya? 17,000, 18,000. My work was. Their cell phone is better than mine. And if you see their clothes, and prosperity has come, we cannot deny it. So we have prospered a lot, and I hope we'll prosper more and more and more.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. India will go up.
Lucky Restaurant is known for its iconic Lucky Biryani. They have found a perfect spice blend for their biryani. Be it cricketers or Bollywood stars, Lucky Biryani is famous amongst all.
Cricketer Vinod Kamli, Sachin Tendulkar, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Sohail Khan, all the Khans.
And I've seen all these testimonials
Signatures,
around.
yes. Mostly all the shootings, when they have the shootings in Bandra at Mehboob, it's always Lucky's food. Karan Johar loves the Lucky Biryani. He offers all his staff with my Lucky Biryani, you know.
Hyderabadi biryani, Lucknowi biryani, all these biryanis, you need some chutneys or gravies to make it rich and tasty. But Lucky biryani doesn't need anything. The masala itself is so tasty. That is a real Mughlai biryani, and people, it's not what we say. Biryani cooking is not a science, it's an art. And that art has been, that means we have mastered the art. And
how?
how is this grace of God?
Mohsin Ali, son of Syed Safar Ali, takes care of everyday affairs today. He joined the restaurant in 1985 when he was all of 15. He personally welcomes each and every customer and gives equal hospitality to all of them.
So public relation also is very important. Every guest is important. Whether he's having tea, he should be given the same respect. Whether he's having a biryani, he should be given the same respect. This is also a success of Lucky's. We treat all the guests equal.
After getting to know the history of the restaurant through the pre-independence era, we decided to try some of the iconic dishes which are there right since inception. And here they have a few of the iconic dishes from the original 7 menu that, of course, was the pride of Lucky then and pride of Lucky now. That's me digging into the brain tawa masala. Absolutely silk and smooth, basic Indian spices, onions, tomatoes, but iconic. And dig in to the keema straight with the pav. Stunning, stunning to another level. Let's dig into the biryani. This is something that I sit down, eat quietly with an extra dose of potato. Absolutely stunning, top notch. That's the mutton cutlet. I'm fascinated to be eating alone, and I can't express how happy I am. Coming to the legendary Mutton Samosa. Wow. Wow. Well, it's got a very pronounced taste and flavor of coriander, of spring greens, onions, the power of meat, and the flaky crust of the samosa. Absolutely top notch. I'm absolutely enjoying what I'm eating. Most of these recipes have been developed over the last 81 years. While we as a nation, we are into the 73rd year of our independence. Well, we all need to get together, come together for the progress of the country, and the change begins with you. Well, on that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get Curried. Leave me to enjoy this.